Gestation crates versus group pens.
These crates have been used over numerous years to house pregnant sows or female pigs. They are small crates in a rectangular shape that fits the length of the sow but are not very wide, typically prohibiting the sow from turning around or, depending on the size of the sow, laying in a lateral position. The reason why producers use these crates is because you can fit more sows in one barn than you can when you use group pens. This allows production to be more efficient in crates when compared to group pens. Gestation crates also separate the sows, which reduces fighting, and the producers are able to feed each sow to their specific nutrient requirements. Sows will spend the majority of their lives in these crates. The image displayed is an example of what a gestation crate will look like.
When the sows are not in the gestation crates, they are in the farrowing crates. Something to note that people normally get confused on is gestation crates are much different from farrowing crates. The sow will be moved to a different crate, the farrowing crate, to have her piglets. These farrowing crates provide an area to the side for the piglets to spend most of their time and nurse without the risk of the mother rolling onto them and killing them. The sow will be in these crates until her piglets are weaned, and then they will be transferred back to the gestation crates. Farrowing crates are absolutely necessary in the production of pigs. The image on this slide is an example of what a farrowing crate looks like.
Group pens are going to be better because they hold several sows while they are pregnant, and then they will be transferred to farrowing crates to have their piglets. The sow will spend most of her life in a group pen. Pigs are herd animals and therefore thrive better in an environment where they are kept with their conspecifics, which are going to be other pigs. Group pens allow the sows to display those social behaviors and create a hierarchy. Group pens also provide a better environmental enrichment compared to gestation crates because of their ability to move as they please and interact with others. Yes, group pens run the risk of aggressive behaviors being shown. However, contrary to what some people may think, because of the hierarchies that are established between sows, the aggression and fighting is a lot lower.
Producers are also starting to use electronic feeding systems, or ESFs, or individual stall feeders to reduce the amount of aggression during feeding time. Keeping consumers happy when it comes to production agriculture is very important. Consumers seem to be completely against gestation crates, and legislation has banned gestation crates in 8 different states. The graph to the right shows the sow model and measures animal welfare in gestation crates, group pens, and free range. As you can see, the welfare in the group pens with different feeding systems are higher than that of the gestation crate. The image on this slide displays what a group pen might look like. In different production scenarios, they can be smaller or larger depending on what the producer wants.